I've got in my FabFitFun Beauty Edit. So if you want to see what you can get this month, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is trying on some clothes. Some of it her, some of my old stuff. Like this top is so old. I got it from Dress Barn years ago. And I was just, cleaning out stuff, and I was like, let's just try on things and see what we like. So I found some of my old clothes and some of it she likes. So she's trying that on tonight. And Bandit's sucking up to my mom like he likes to do. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, fun fashion hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So FabFitFun Beauty Edit, it's getting better, I have to say. So much so, I might have gotten the second box in my other account because I had a really hard time deciding between things. It is $29.99 a month. There is no shipping, or at least it wasn't for me as a FabFitFun member. I don't know if you are not a regular FabFitFun member and you join for this box, whether or not you get charged shipping, how that works. I've been a FabFitFun member for several years now, so I paid no shipping. Now this box is fully customizable. There are 4 categories, and in each category there's somewhere between 3 and 4 different choices. So here is your little sneak peek. And in the first category there were some great options. There was a Brogio option for their conditioner for fine to thin hair that supposedly smells like delicious tropical fruits. I went with, there was also a sunscreen by Lys Beauty, which was like a $98 value. But I went with the Erborian CC cream in light. And that's what I'm wearing today. So this stuff is really, really cool. Let me show you. First of all, it does has an SPF, only I think 25. Yes, 25. This is a cruelty-free company. It is a K-Beauty brand. But it comes out white. And it has Centella Asiatica in there. And as you can see, as you in, it actually changes to be like a concealer. So I've been wearing that. I actually got some samples in, I think it was Beauty Fix. And it was 3 different shades. So I played around with all 3 different shades. This is in the light. I probably could have gone with the medium, but I went with the light. But I do have this other shade, so I can do like a little bit of mixing with the darker one. I am loving this, guys. I would 100% recommend this. I don't know, I don't recall how expensive it was. I'm going to look that up for you right now. I feel like it was in the $40-ish range though, 44, 48. I could be misremembering, but also you can go on sites like Style Korea or Yes Style, and they're always having sales on K-Beauty. Like this is one I would definitely check out, one of those. So on their Erborian website, this goes for $46 for this size. They do have a $26 option. And then they also have the option to get the 3 minis of all 3 shades for $19. So you could try out and find out what shade works best for you. So I'm not seeing this listed on Yes Style or Style Korea, just on Erborian USA, on Ulta, $46. And then I think they had it on like Durham store as well for the same price. But they do have a smaller size for $26 as well. So I am loving this though, guys. This is my favorite new product. Next, by Ellis, they had 2 different fragrances, and both of them were a little bit more musky. So I went with the Vanilla Santo one because it was listed as a gourmand versus the other one more of a woodsy musk. Now this retails for $35 for this size. This is about a half of an ounce, 0.51 ounces actually. This is a clean beauty brand. They are also cruelty-free and they're vegan. So the scent notes on this, the top note is bergamot, the middle bergamot, pink pepper, and myrrh. The mid is ambrette, iris petals, and rosebud. And then the dry is vanilla infusion, Palo Santo, moss, ambrox, super, and cedarwood. And so I was really like, I don't know if I'm going to like this because those aren't necessarily scents I like, but sometimes they work well together. That's funny because on this it says Gourmand Woods, whereas on the FabFitFun this was just listed as Gourmand. Okay, I didn't like it fresh on, but as it's drying down, I actually am liking it. So I can't remember the other scent, but here is what you're getting. And the top notes on that were bergamot and fresh freesia. The middle notes, coconut milk, cedarwood, and atlas. And then the dry as sandalwood, album, Australia, clearwood, and amber musk. So any way you looked at it, the bottom notes were all kind of cedarwoody, but I love this brand. So really would have liked the Miami Nectar though. So if you're watching FabFitFun, Miami Nectar. My third choice from Lys Beauty is their Higher Standard Cream Blush Stick in the shade Bubbly, which is a soft pink. Now, I love Lys. This is another cruelty-free brand. It is a small brand. Their goal is for everybody to just love their own beauty. All right, so it's beauty for all. I love that. I love their mission. Love their packaging. So I put on quite a bit. I'm going to put some on my finger and just rub it over here to show you. So I would definitely play with this before putting it directly on the cheeks to get just the right glow. Because if I put that on my cheeks, I'd be like, oh my goodness, that's going to be a hot mess. Yeah, hot mess. But it's a lovely color. You're just going to play with it a little bit. A lot of times with the products, just play with them a little bit. It's a little different than when working with powder, working with cream. You sometimes got to put it on your hand and then apply. Last, there was a lot of stuff from this brand in there, just like there was a lot of Rosio. And this is from Freck Beauty, and this is their Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick in the shade Muse. So again, cruelty-free. Whenever possible, I'm always going to choose the cruelty-free. I've gotten much better at kind of looking that up because brands that I thought were cruelty-free or had previously been cruelty-free are no longer considered cruelty-free or have at least given up their bunny logo, whether it's Sleeping Bunny or Peta Bunny, aka Charlotte Tilbury. So I have gotten a little better at just like double checking before I pick a product to make sure. Like Elemis always used to be cruelty-free. Then they were bought out by a larger company and they're no longer cruelty-free because they sell in mainland China. So, you know, things that I like to be aware of. That color is very similar to the blush, but this is for the lips. I do have a lip oil on, so. But yeah, rub that out. That's just a perfect shade. I was worried that it was, because I don't wear a lot of lipsticks, but I was like, I don't know, we'll give it a try. And I'm happy I did. I really like that color. So for $29.99, I got, oh, price. Did I tell you this is $24, the Lys? I was so excited to tell you about the brand. And this is $24, although right now today it is on sale at Sephora for $16.80. So I'll try to get this up early if you are interested. I will try to look up, you'll know if I was able to find the different customization options. I think there were some really great options this time around. There's a lot by Freck. There was a lot by Brogio. I don't mind that. They're both cruelty-free. And I've not tried Freck, but I love Brogio. All right, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.